Okay, great day. Okay, great day sa mga ating nakikinig ngayon at nanonood ng video presentation or webinar na ito, at salamat dahil nakita mo ang video na to, and alam ko na maaaring pwede kitang matulungan, especially kaya mo nahanap ang video na to ay pwedeng naghahanap ka ng opportunity or gusto mong malaman kung ano ang BWL, especially yung flagship product at trending product ngayon ng BWL na yung Optrimax Plum Delight. Bago ko simulan ng lahat, gusto ko munang magpakilala sa inyo. Ako po si Edison Victorino. Isa po akong dati po akong programmer, and until now pinapractice ko pa rin ang pagpo-program. Isa po akong online entrepreneur na na-feature na sa iba't ibang media kagaya ng ABS-CBN, GMA at TV5, and even sa Entrepreneur Magazine. So, I also do corporate training and other speaking engagement sa iba't ibang corporate and businesses, no? So, pagdating sa online marketing, okay, pagdating sa digital marketing, yan po ang niche ko because I've been doing online marketing since 2000, so panahon pa po ng dial-up, and web technology po talaga ang aking forte. Okay, now, to make the long story short, okay, so let's proceed kung ano ba talaga yung main objective natin, and I know that you want to know more about BWL. You may contact me on my Facebook account. You may get in touch with me on my Facebook, add me as a friend. So just log on to www.facebook.com/eevictorino, or you may contact me on my number, which is 63916791593. Now, let's proceed with the BWL. Ano ba talaga itong BWL na to? Okay, first of all, BWL is a Singaporean company, a multinational company na nag-start noong 2011 dito sa Pilipinas. Sila ang carrier ng trending product ngayon na yung Optrimax Plum Delight. Okay, take note Optrimax is not a company. Optrimax is a brand na dala-dala ng BWL. BWL is owned by Dr. Dora Juan and Doreen Tan. Now, when it comes to corporate practice or direct selling practice, they are really experienced pagdating sa ganitong practice. Take note that marami ngayon sa mga direct selling company or network marketing company ang itinatayo. Tama po ba? So, dating top earner nagtayo ng networking company. Kaya lang, mostly, ano ang nagiging downfall? Okay. Karamihan ng networker is walang corporate background. So, pagdating sa pagtatayo ng company, doon naman nagkaka-problema. And some people who came from traditional businesses na nagtayo ng networking company does not understand how network marketing goes. Diba? Kaya pagdating sa BWL, why we are solid, it's because our owners, our founding members has experience on direct selling or multi-level marketing or network marketing, whatever you call it. They also have experience when it comes to corporate practices. They are also experienced when it comes to health, skincare, and nutrition. Now, the good thing about BWL, nung pumunta sila dito sa Pilipinas, and of course, you, as much as possible, you want to have a solid and stable partner. First of all, they bring BWL here in the Philippines. Hindi po status lang ang nagdala sa Pilipinas, kundi BWL as a company mismo. And one of our Filipino partners ng BWL are the are the chairman and CEO of Robinson's Land Corporation, Mr. Federico Go, which is also from the family of Go Kung Wei, who is the owner of Cebu Pacific, Robinson's Malls, Robinson's Land, JG Summit. Okay. Now, if you can see, our mission is to have the best choice of customer, best choice for distributors, best choice for partners. Nakikita mo sa taas, ganito ang itsura ng office sa BWL Singapore or sa main headquarters. Normally, ang style din ng BWL pagdating sa Pilipinas or sa iba't ibang countries, sa bawat tinatayo nilang regional offices is may standard. Kaya kung ganito ang itsura ng office sa Singapore, pag pumunta ka sa office sa Ortigas, which is located on the 32nd floor, Equitable Tower, okay, hindi siya nalalayo ng itsura. And the good thing about, we manufacture our own product. Kaya nga, nabigyan tayo ng GMP certification, Good Manufacturing Practice. So, meaning, may isang organization na nag-check kung paano minamanufacture ang mga products. Then, kapag pumasa sa kanilang standard, sinecertified nila ito na GMP. And stability-wise, very stable din ang BWL because we are part of Singapore Exchange, or ito yung tinatawag na public listed company. Sa Pilipinas, ang katumbas naman nito yung Philippine Stocks Exchange, diba? Sabi nga ng mga galing sa financial na kung gusto mong kumita pa, you can also buy paper assets or you can invest on stocks. Okay. So paano ba ang isang company nagiging publicly listed? Okay. Number 1, ang pinaka-importante sa lahat para maging publicly listed ang isang company ay dapat kumikita ito ng bilyon. Take note, BWL is a Singaporean company. So, ibig sabihin pala ang BWL is kumikita ng billions kaya sila napunta sa Singapore Exchange. And the good news is, BWL is the first and only direct selling company na pumasok sa Singapore Exchange na naging public listed company sa Singapore. So we also received different awards and recognitions from Forbes magazine o Forbes Asia. Normally, para ma-feature ka sa Forbes magazine or Forbes Asia, kailangan ay bilyonaryo ka na. So kaya ang ma-feature lang dito ay kagaya nila Manny Pacquiao, Henry C. Go Kung Wei. Okay, and the good thing is BWL has been recognized or na-feature sa Forbes Asia. And we also received different awards, especially the Super Brands Award, which is the award-giving body of the Reader's Digest magazine. And we are recognized by the World Federation of Direct Selling Association. Ngayon, kung sa Pilipinas, may Direct Selling Association of the Philippines. Kung sa Singapore, meron Direct Selling Association of Singapore. Kung sa US, meron US Direct Selling Association na itinatawag na DSA. Take note na itong mga Direct Selling Association na to, merong federation. Okay, yun yung World Federation of Direct Selling Association. So, it means parang association na meron pang mas mataas na association. And the good thing is, our CEO is the chairman now of the World Federation of Direct Selling Association, which is Dr. Dora Juan. So we have global presence in 40 countries worldwide, and 10 countries is our regional offices. So these are South Korea, Taiwan, Vietnam, Hong Kong, Myanmar, Philippines, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia. When I say regional office, it means na BWL ang nagtayo talaga ng mga offices sa bansa na yon. Hindi stockist ang nagdala, kundi the company itself ang nagpunta. Ngayon yung mga nakikita nyo sa mga pink area, yan yung mga tinatawag na life center or yung mga mega stockist center. Meaning, yung distributor nagpunta sa bansa na yun, dala-dala ang BWL, maybe because they want to sell the products or to build business in the area. We have different products. Maaaring ang nakikita nyo lang is Optrimax Plum Delight. Kaya yung alam ko yung iba sa inyo, okay, naka-receive na ng objection na kung baka plum lang ang binibenta. Take note, once you become a member of BWL, hindi lang plum ang ibibenta mo. You are entitled to other products that you can market kung ano yung market mo. So, we have from the skincare to supplement to the weight management product. Now, let's talk muna yung ating skincare product, which is Dr. Secret, Astaire, and Miraglow. So, we have different testimonials sa mga product na to. Our third best-selling product right now, aside from Optrimax Plum Delight, Collagen, which is the second product, the third is the Miraglow. So, Miraglow is a fine cloth. So, meron siyang ultra thin microfiber. So, just think, isipin niyo yung Pranela, yung may mga fiber na ginagamit pang punas or basahan, no? Pero take note, this hindi basahan ng Miraglow, okay? It is a cloth na gagamitin mo sa mukha mo to exfoliate the dead skin cells, okay? So, katumbas ito ng diamond peel. The good thing with your Miraglow is much cheaper than the diamond peel, but same effect. Again, Miraglow is more affordable. Ayan, more affordable than diamond peel. They have the same effect. They have the same result na binibigay sa inyo. Okay. So one cloth, if you are a member of BWL, one cloth of Miraglow is only 1,050 that you can use for 2 months. Diba? Compare with a regular diamond peel, which will cost you 750 per session. Another product of BWL is the Feminine Wash. And we also have supplements and Optrimax Plum Delight. Sa mga supplement naman, we have Donny Cups. So, if you're familiar with Donny, kung narinig yun na ito, or maybe you are a consumer of Donny, Donny is good as an antioxidant. So, we have liquid calcium magnesium to have a healthy bones and teeth. We have omega-3 plus for circulatory health. So, yung may mga problema sa puso, may mga problema sa may high blood, matataas ang bad cholesterol. Omega-3 plus can help you a lot. So, we have Sangohal. We have the eye care for the eye support. We have the Collagen Plus or the Avance Collagen, which is the second best-selling product of BWL. Normally kasi kapag ang isang tao tumatanda na nag-age na ng 40, 30, above, so yung skin and muscle nila naghihiwalay, nawawala na yung collagen. So ang ginagawa ng Collagen Plus is sinusupplement niya yung mga nawawalang collagen sa atin. And the good thing about our Collagen Plus, this is a high-grade collagen, so and a natural collagen. So we have the Mondela. Okay, now let's talk about the Optrimax Plum Delight, which is now a trending product. Bakit nga ba siya trending? Mamaya pag-uusapan natin kung bakit trending ang products ng Optrimax, ano? So, we have different testimonies na ng mga gumamit ng Optrimax, no? Kagaya nitong si Lieutenant Lomboy, no? From, ayan, so she lost 68 kilos, no? So, malaki-malaking kanyang nawala. Okay, we have Dr. Mark Vicente. Alright. Okay, so totally malaki talaga. Marami talaga tayong testimonial available right now. Hindi ko na masyadong babasahin pa, so we can move forward. Okay. What is Optrimax Plum Delight? Ano ba itong Optrimax Plum Delight? First of all, our product is not a capsule, is not a shake. Ulitin ko ha. Optrimax Plum Delight is not a capsule, is not a shake. And of course, hindi siya liquid. Okay? So, Optrimax Plum Delight is a 100% organic product. So, it is a fermented pickled plum. Okay, so nanilagyan na kinulture, okay, sa green tea and pu'er tea and probiotics. Ngayon yung iba magtatanong, plum, parang meron yan sa grocery, meron din yan sa Binondo. Well, honestly, meron sa grocery, meron sa Binondo. Sa Binondo nga, kinikilo pa to eh. Okay, ngayon, ano ang difference ng Optrimax Plum Delight sa meron sa Binondo? Okay, ganito. Yung nasa Binondo, tinanim, inani, dinala sa palengke, tinitimbang kapag binibenta. So, just a typical fruit. Sa Optrimax, okay, it is a high-grade plum, okay, na tinanim, inalagaan, then pinitas, inani, then kinulture siya, pinerment siya for 6 months. So, hindi siya basta inani lang dahil binenta. Kinulture siya for 6 months at nilagyan ng green tea, which is good for fat burning, and pu'er tea for fat blocking, and which is the most expensive Chinese tea. Of course, nilagyan din siya ng probiotics, which is a live bacteria. Alam ko, naririnig nyo na yung mga probiotics even before pa ng mga bata pa tayo, di ba? So, galing ito sa, okay, yung paboritong inumin natin, yung Yakult. Okay, meron probiotics yon. So, ang plum is meron siyang live bacteria na galing sa probiotics, which will help for detoxification, intestinal health. Kaya nga, lagi ang tanong, okay ka ba dyan? Diba? So, ang Optrimax Plum Delight, kinulture sa mga ganitong component. Did you know that Optrimax Plum Delight is good for cleansing? So, hindi lang talaga siya weight loss. Okay? Weight loss is only a side effect of Optrimax Plum Delight. Yan, ibalik natin dito ah. Okay? Again, weight loss is the side effect of Optrimax Plum Delight. Kagaya ng glutathione, which is food talaga siya ng liver, and yung pagputi is only a side effect of the glutathione. Ganun din sa Optrimax Plum Delight. It's more on cleansing your whole body, especially the colon. Kaya nga, honestly speaking, okay, if you feel the following, maybe nakaramdam ka na ng fatigue and low energy, weight gain, headache, bloating, irregular bowel movement, body odor, stinky gas, okay? So, I believe, okay, na kailangan mo na mag-detox. May mga nagbi-build up ng, maybe may mga nagbi-build up ng toxins or mga fecals na hindi naalis sa loob ng colon mo. Kapag nararamdaman mo na itong mga to, that is the time that you need to cleanse your body or to do detox. Sabi nga ni Hippocrates, the father of medicine, all disease begins in the gut. Okay, so that begins in the colon, which is so true, no? Ang sakit ay nagmumula kung ano ang ating kinakain madalas. And most of the time, hindi nyo nagpapahina sa atin. So, marami ng study na ginawa dyan na kung ano yung tinetake mo, yun ang nagiging cause minsan madalas ng mga sakit natin. Okay, these are the people who died because of the colon cancer. So, mga bitukang hindi nalilinis. Okay. Now, here's the uniqueness of our product. It is zero fat, low in calories, high in fiber, contains probiotic, contains antioxidants and catechins. Ibig sabihin pala, hindi lang pala talaga pampapayat ang plum, no? It also restores your cell, okay? It also restores your body, antioxidant. Normally kasi, ang ibig sabihin kasi na oxidant, oxide means kalawang. So, just imagine yung cell nyo, kinakalawang na. And kapag kinalawang ang cell, ano ang susunod? magkakaroon ka ng tissue damage, mag-multiply itong mga kalawang na to hanggang sa maging cancer. Okay, kaya we take antioxidant product para yung kalawang at cells natin tatanggalin, lilinisin. Okay, so na-detoxify yung katawan natin. If you are going to make Ultramax Plum Delight as your business, okay, the good news is we have 0 competitors right now. Okay, so wala kang naririnig niyan sa mga ibang direct selling o network marketing company na nagbebenta ng organic product kagaya ng plum. Diba? So mostly are capsule, shake, and liquid. With our plum, it is safe and effective. Mamaya ipapakita ko yung iba't ibang test na ginawa sa ating product. Simple and easy. Hindi mo kailangan mag-blender. Hindi mo kailangan ng tubig. Okay, na mag-shake, maghalo-halo para lang makapagbawas ka ng timbang. Okay, so napakadaling gawin. Nasa pack lang siya. Pwede mong ilagay sa bulsa mo. Kapag oras na para kainin mo, kunin mo sa bulsa mo, buksan mo, kainin mo, dura mong buto. Ganun lang siya. And most of all, masarap ang lasa niya. Really great taste. In fact, marami ako sa mga distributor, instead of once a day lang mag-plum, ginagawa nilang twice or thrice a day. Bakit? Nakaka-addict. Masarap daw, parang sampalok. Okay? So, masarap talaga siya. No? Totally, napakasarap ng plum. Okay, even bata, magugustuhan to. These are the tests na ginawa sa ating product. Kung makikita nyo dito yung sa ibaba pa ng ephedrine, okay, yung methamphetamine, okay, sa methamphetamine stands for shabu. Madalas makita ito sa mga weight loss products. Kaya karamihan ng mga nagtitake ng weight loss products, ang sinasabi nila ay meron daw side effect. Hindi sila makatulog, okay, hindi nila maintindihan yung nararamdaman nila. It's because of the methamphetamine component. With our products, Ultramax Plum Delight, walang nakitang ganong component. Okay, tignan natin yung ika-4, yung Orlistat or yung Senical. Marami sa mga kababaihan gumagamit nito, kaya lang ang pinaka-common na lagi nilang sinasabi, hindi na nakokontrol, may lumalabas na mantika at kailangan pang magpasador. Okay, with Ultramax Plum Delight, hindi ka mag-LBM, okay? Hindi siya nakaka-LBM. In fact, gaganda ang digestion mo, so ang kailangan mo lang gawin, kapag gusto mo ng dumumi, upo ka lang sa CR at umiri ka, lalabas na siya. So, okay, so controllable sa madaling salita. When you take plum, ang pagdumi mo is controllable. Kasi kapag sinabi kong LBM, it means loose bowel movement. You cannot control it. Kusang lumalabas. Okay. With plum, you can control. Okay, again. With plum, you can control kapag gusto mo ng dumumi. We are halal certified. Okay, this is our certificate. Okay, usually kapag halal certified ng isang product, it means malinis. Okay, so it means free from any chemicals. And also, we are FDA approved. FDA Philippines now, dating BFAD dito. So, wala nang BFAD ngayon. They call it na Food and Drug Administration of the Philippines. So, we are certified. Hindi tayo LTO number lang, hindi tayo operation number lang. We are totally 100% certified. We have a certificate from the Food and Drug Administrations of the Philippines. Kaya, sa marami sa mga distributor ko, kapag nag-ship sa abroad, itong mga certificate ang ina-attach din nila. Pag-usapan natin ng income. Okay, so ito yung pinaka-the best na topic eh, di ba? Ito yung pinaka-reason bakit marami nagre-resell, bakit marami nagtitinda, bakit nagiging trending ang product ngayon. It's because of the great income that this product are bringing. Diba? Naniniwala ka ba? Okay, kapag magandang company, magandang product, magandang compensation, and of course, you have a good team and a marketing, definitely, it will bring you a great product, a great income. Okay? Now, pag-usapan natin yung compensation plan ng BWL. BWL branded their compensation plan yung tinatawag na R4 Plus, meaning recruit, retain, repeat, and reward. sa network marketing, recruitment is very important, diba? Kaya nga in our team, okay, we call our team the S3 Falcon team. Okay, you can get in touch with us with www.s3falcon.org, or you can directly contact me if you want to join my team on my Facebook, which is facebook.com/EEVictorino, or with my contact number 63916-791-5963. Again, 63916-791-5963. Alright, let's go back kung bakit recruit. With network marketing, recruitment or sponsoring is very important. Kaya nga, if you want to succeed in network marketing, there are two things that you must do. Number one is you need to sell. Number two is you need to sponsor. Yun lang gagawin nating cycle. Kaya we are for plus, you recruit, you sponsor, you retain. Paano magkakaroon ng retention? Paano magkakaroon? Through trainings, through program. With our S3 system, with our team, we have a program that will help you grow more. Okay, so sa S3 team, we do Facebook group support. Okay, we do one-on-one coaching. We do empowering day. It means na sama-sama tayo sa isang lugar, sabay-sabay tayo magtatrabaho. And we always do training, which is very important. And we repeat, okay, we will do the same: sponsor, sell, and retain. And of course, once we master this, we will get the reward. That's why we call it the R4 Plus compensation plan. With BWL, we have the 9 amazing ways to earn. Okay, number 1, we have the outright income. You can earn through membership, unilevel, ranking rewards, paying income, which is paborito ng mga nasa MLM. Okay, the car incentives. Okay, you can have your car. Just imagine, you can have your car for only 1,800, which is the basic and the starter entry of BWL. And we have the leadership sharing bonus and stocks allowance, and the R4 Plus travel incentives. Now, let's discuss more about paano ba talaga sisimulan to. Okay, andyan na, may product na, may company. Okay, maganda ang team. Okay, maganda. You have 9 ways of earning. Pero, paano ba talaga magsisimula sa business na to? Let's talk about this. Okay? So, para makapag-start ka, you can start with the starter package, which is 1,600. Okay, to simplify, all you need to do is to just buy 1 box of Optimax Plum Delight, 1,200. Kaya normally sa mga customer ko, if they buy 1 box, I always tell them to upgrade kung gusto nila maka-discount, become a member. Okay? Now, 1,200 is the retail price of Optimax Plum Delight. Okay, yan talaga ang SRP niya. So, kahit saan kayo magpunta, kung may makita kayo mas mababa, definitely medyo mag-ingat kayo doon dahil hindi siya legitimate seller, no? With other, I will discuss more about how to identify Optimax Plum Delight legit seller, okay, compare sa mga non-legit, no? But this topic is more focused on the starter package. Alright, so just buy 1 box of Optimax Plum Delight, which is 1,200. Okay, that's the SRP. And then add 600 for the membership. So the 600 membership is for your online account. Okay, and yung tinatawag na resale rights mo. Okay, kumbaga yan yung franchise fee mo, kumbaga sa franchising. But 600 is very minimal na amount compared sa franchising. Okay, we have a bonus, which is the Skin Studio voucher. This is if you want to check out kung the condition of your skin, we have a free checkup in the office that is worth 500 pesos. And of course, part ng membership voucher mo yung tinatawag na EXS system or yung tinatawag na online account to monitor your sales, the sales of your team, the sales of your resellers, and of course, to monitor your commission. That is our EXS system. Now, kung computing natin to, ang total value na nakuha mo is 2,300 but you only paid for 1,800, no? So just imagine, I just buy 1 box of Optimax Plum Delight, which is only 1,200, and I will just only add 600 to become a member. Kaya normally, if someone asks how much the membership fee is only 600 pesos. All you need to do is to just buy 1 box and add 600. And 600 pesos membership fee is normal to other health stores. Okay, maghanap kayo sa mga mall, yung mga kilalang health stores dyan, no? If you want discount, then buy their membership, which is worth 600. It's the same thing then with the BWL. The difference lang with the stores outside, yung mga makikita sa mall, hindi ko na mamagitin kung ano yun, is sa BWL, merong income na ino-offer, and with that, wala. It's more on discount. Again, with BWL, it's more about discounts, okay, and compensation, and authorized reselling. With other memberships sa mga health stores, sa mga, especially sa mga malls, you pay 600, but it's more on the product discount. Wala kang rights mag-sell, wala kang rights kumita. Okay, it's only for discount. With BWL, discounted ka na, you're earning pa, you are authorized to sell. Okay, now, with 1,200, okay, if kung ayaw mo ng plum, you can choose other products kagaya ng liquid calcium magnesium, iron care, Miragro, and the FemWash. Okay, you can also start with the builder package, which is 7,800. What is the difference between a starter and a builder? A starter is good for discounts and for selling, but if you want to develop retailers or other resellers, and you want to earn from your resellers, I suggest that you start with the builder package, which is 7,800. Okay, so kung sa tingin mo mahal ito, ipapakita ko, it's just like bumili ka lang din ng product. Okay, just buy 6 boxes of Optrimax Plum Delight at the retail price, which is 1,200 times 6. Okay, that is 7,200. And again, add 600 pesos for your membership. Again, how much is the membership? It's only 600 pesos. Napakamura, di ba? Pumili ka lang ng 6 na box and nag-add lang ako ng 600 para maging member. Once you buy 6 boxes, add 600, you are in the builder package account. Okay, again, we have the Skin Studio voucher, which is 500 pesos. The EX system to monitor your sales, the sales of your resellers, and your commissions. And pag-usapan natin dito yung 6 na membership voucher. Ano ba itong membership voucher na to? Okay, normally, if you are going to join a network marketing company, especially yung mga multinational companies, you pay for their online system. How much that? That is 600. Ngayon, just imagine this. Kung meron kang membership voucher, instead na yung recruit mo, babayaran niya pa yung 600 sa office, sa'yo na ibabayad yung 600 na yon, and that is your outright income. Ganun ka-generous ang company. Ulitin ko ha. Normally, kapag may magme-member sa isang direct selling or network marketing company, they have to pay for the membership fee. With BWL, instead of your recruit paying the membership fee sa office, they will pay it to you as long as you have the membership voucher. Okay? And one membership voucher will cost 600 pesos. If you start with the builder package, you have 6 vouchers. So 6 times 600, that is 3,600. Kaya sa builder package, ang total na value na nakuha mo that is 11,000, diba? Pero you only pay for 7,800. Just buy 6 boxes of Optrimax Plum Delight worth 1,200 times 6, that's 700, then add the membership fee of 600 pesos. So ganun lang siya kasimple. Starter ka na. Now, we have what we call the status package. So, sa status package naman, that is 31,500. So, sa 31,500 na yan, ganito lang kasimple yan, okay? Instead of buying Optrimax Plum Delight at a retail price of 1,200, you are going to purchase it at the price of 1,050, which is the distributor price. Diba? Mas naka-discount ka ngayon kapag status ka. So, just multiply 1,050 sa 30, 1,050 times 30, that is 31,500. Mas nakamura ka kung mag-i-stockies ka. And of course, meron siyang Skin Studio voucher, the EXS system, and 30 membership voucher. Kanina, didiscuss ko ano yung membership voucher. Again, for the membership voucher, instead of your recruit paying the 600 sa company mapupunta, instead na sa company mapunta, sa'yo na lang as long as you have the membership voucher. So, this is 30 membership voucher multiplied by 6. This is 18,000. If you will compute it, ang total value na nakuha mo is 50,000. But you only paid for 31,500. Okay, sulit na siya, diba? Just imagine, tignan nyo to. Kapag ako nag-stockies, I will get the product for 1,050. Tama ba? 1,050 siya. How much is the SRP? That is the retail price, 1,200. So I earn 150 per box. So 150 multiplied by 30, I get 4,500 na as my net profit. I-add mo pa yung membership voucher kapag may nag-member, 18,000. Tama? So sa stockies package siya kinuha ko, 31,500. Ang kinita ko talaga, ang net na kinita ko, okay, tanggalin natin yung capital mo. Kasi the 31,500 is the capital. Kapag na-turnover ko siya, 18,000 plus 4,500. Yun ang kinita ko with the stockies package. Kaya if I were you, I will start with the stockies package. Alright, so that's how you can earn. That's how you can start. Again, starter package, builder package, stockies package. So may iba't iba silang role, no? So depende sa entry capacity mo. Okay, so if you are going to start with the starter package, it's okay. But if I were you, I go with the builder or the stockies package. Let's talk about earnings. Okay, number one is the outright income. With BWL, you can earn daily, weekly, and monthly. Ulitin ko ha. With BWL, you can earn daily, weekly, and monthly. Pag-usapan natin yung daily. Because I know, ang pinakamasarap talaga maranasan yung araw-araw kumikita kaysa kagaya ng isang traditional trabaho na maghihintay ka kinsenas katapusan. With BWL, walang kinsenas katapusan dito. Okay, so araw-araw pwede kang kumita. Now, let's talk about the outright income. The outright income is yung kita mo immediately. You earn immediately that day. Okay? So, with every package, okay, you earn 150 pesos per box na ibibenta mo. Paano nangyari yun? As a distributor, you'll purchase it sa office ng 1,050, then i-retail mo ng 1,200. Therefore, kumita ka ng 150. So, just imagine this is you. Okay, may nag-start na starter package. Di ba 1,800 yon? Kasi retail price ng product is 1,200 and the 600 membership fee. That's why 1,800, di ba? Halimbawa, may nag-start ng starter package that is SP. Okay, it includes 1 box of the plum, di ba? So, how much kinita mo doon? Okay, 1,050 na agad. Automatic outright yon. So, meaning kapag nag-entry sila, hindi mo na kailangan i-entry ng 1,200 pa or 1,800 yung starter package sa company. Hindi mo kailangan ibayad ng 1,800. Ang ibabayad mo lang is 1,050. Kaya kung kumpute natin, sa 1,200 pa lang na price ng product, 150 na ang in-outright mo. Ngayon, kung nag-start siya ng builder package, that is 7,800, eto maganda rito. Okay, so di ba 6 boxes of plum yon? So 1,050 times 6, that is 900. So kumita ka na ng 900 na outright. This is outright. So ang ibibigay mo lang sa company, ang ibabayad mo sa company is 1,050 times 6, that is 6,300. Okay, so yung the rest, that is your outright. Bulsa mo na yon, kaliwaan, take home mo na yon. Okay, so ganun kaganda ang outright income with BWL. Okay? Now, we have the membership voucher. Okay, so let's say nag-start siya ng starter package. Starter package is 1,800. Again, di ba ang ibibigay mo sa company is 1,050. Yun ang ibabayad mo instead of 1,800. And again, di ba sabi ko ang usapan, to become a member, just buy 1 box and add 600. Okay? So, you earn 150. Membership voucher is 600. Okay? So, kung meron ka membership voucher, instead of paying it sa company, sa'yo na babayaran yung 600. So, you already earned the outright income of 750. Take home mo na yan on that day. Kaya nga, if you need money, just one starter a day keeps the poverty away. Pwede na, di ba? Okay, so we have the builder pack, which is 7,800. The outright income is 1,050 multiplied by 6, that is 900. Plus membership voucher of 600, and you earn 1,500 outright. Okay, maganda kitaan, di ba? Tanda mo, outright hindi ka maghihintay next week. To join a network marketing company, usually you buy the kit, you buy the package at the retail price. That is normal. And if you are the person who sponsored this new recruit, yung income mo, yung direct referral mo, next week mo pa makukuha. With BWL, you get it immediately, called cash. No need to wait for next week. Okay, we have the uni-level income. So you earn in every purchase, in every repeat purchase, or every people that you will sponsor. So with BWL, we have two types of uni-level income. So we have the uni-level recruitment, which is based on sponsoring, and the uni-level retention, which is based on repeat sale. So pag-usapan muna natin yung recruitment. Okay. So halimbawa, na-recruit mo si first. Okay, nag-starter package ka. You earn additional 210 pesos. Kumita ka kanina ng 750, di ba? Nung nag-starter ka, may additional 210 ka pa. And just imagine this si first, nakita niya kasing kumita ka. So, ano tendency? Mag-sponsor siya. Siya si second. Sponsorin niya si second, di ba? So, kung na-sponsor ni first si second, of course, si first kikita ng 210. Di ba? Pero don't worry. Kasi bakit? May royalty income ka dito sa second level. You earn 42 pesos kapag may na-sponsor si first. And dahil nakita ni second na kumita si first, so tendency, mag-sponsor din siya. Sponsoring niya si third. Okay? Kapag na-sponsor niya si third, of course, may additional income ka na naman na 84 pesos. Ngayon, tignan mo to. Ang maganda sa comp plan na to, kung papansin mo, malaki ang first level, 210. It's because ikaw naman na nag-effort na nag-recruit. At kung titignan mo yung third level, malaki din ang income, 84 pesos. It's because na mas maraming tao sa third level. Ulitin ko ha. Sa first level, malaki ang income. It's because ikaw ang nag-effort na mag-sponsor, mag-invite, and most of the time, ikaw din ang nag-present. Sa third level, kaya malaki din ng income, it's because mas maraming tao sa third level. 5 to the power of 3. Diba? You sponsor 5 people, and these 5 people will get 5 people, and the people that they get will get another 5 people. So, i-multiply mo na lang. Use your calculator. Malaki yung nasa third level. 5 to the third power lang. Okay, kaya tignan mo to ha. Sa starter package na pumasok, which is 1,800, you earn an outright income na 150. Tama? And kung may voucher ka, you earn additional income of 600. Tama? And meron pa tayong uni-level recruitment na 210. Magkano kinita mo sa isang starter package pa lang? You already earn 960 pesos. The biggest payout sa lahat ng MLM industry. Okay. So, normally, wala nagpapa-payout na 960. Kapag 1.8 ang entry, ang payout lang yan, ang direct referral lang yan is 200 pesos. Diba? With BWL, they are giving away 960 pesos. So, yan ang kinita mo. Kaya, one starter package a day keeps the poverty away. Diba? Okay, what if builder package naman ang sponsor mo? That is 7,800, right? So, outright income mo, 900. 1,050 times 6, 900 yun. And you have a membership voucher of 600. And of course, an additional uni-level recruitment. Yung kanina, 210, this time is 420. Kaya with just one builder, 1,920 na ang kinita mo. Sulit mag-sponsor ng builder, di ba? Sulit na sulit because you'll earn 1,920, which is, to some people, earning 1,920 is good for 3 to 5 days na, di ba? Okay. Tingnan mo naman to. Kapag stocks naman ang na-sponsoran mo, wala kang outright income. Pero just look at the uni-level recruitment, 4,200. Okay. So, total income mo is 4,200. Not bad, di ba? So, let's talk about the retention. Kanina, recruitment, ha. Ibig sabihin, kapag may na-sponsor, may na-recruit ako, may 210 ako, tapos yung nag-recruit ko, may na-recruit, so may 42 ako, yung na-recruit ko, may additional ako, 84. That is uni-level recruitment. Let's talk about uni-level retention. So, ganito lang ang ano dyan, okay? So, just imagine, ganito lang ang mindset mo dyan. Just imagine, lumaki yung organization mo, lumaki yung downlines mo. Bumili lang sila ng tagi-isang box. Sa kada isang box na binili na, meron kang kitang between 21 to 42 pesos. We are talking about repeat sale, repeat purchase. And based on experience, Optrimax Plum Delight is a highly consumable product na mataas ang repeat rate, repeat order rate. Kaya with this, you will earn a lot of money. Diba? In any business, ang pera nasa retention, hindi sa one-time recruitment. Nasa repeat order or nasa retention. Kahit itanong mo kaninong businessman yan. Now, let's go back to the retention. Okay, just imagine 1 to 9th level. Okay, on the 1st to 7th level, you have a rebate of 4%. That is 42 pesos per box. On the 8th and 9th level, you have 21 pesos per box. So, to the power of 6 na lang tayo. Okay, you sponsor 6 downlines, 6 people, and these 6 people sponsored another 6 people, that is 36. So in the first level, you earn 252, and they sponsor another 66 left, that is 36. You earn 1,512, and sa third level, these 36 people sponsored another 6, another 6, another 6, another 6, another 6. That is the potential income. That is the income that you will get. Not bad, diba? People are just buying 1 box per month. Isang box lang per month. This is your earning. At 10% ratio, pabagsakin na lang natin. 10% sa 6th level mo, that is 195,930. Still not bad. So, yun na lang natin 1%. That is 19,000 per month. Not bad pa rin. Diba? Okay, we have the ranking rewards or the group rewards. Okay. With BWL, meron din tayong sariling corporate ladder dyan. Once you are once you started with the starter pack or the builder pack, you are a business associate. You get promoted to business manager, to senior business manager, bronze business manager, silver director, and gold director. Of course, I forgot to tell you, we have the platinum director as well. Okay, just imagine this, no? Di ba meron na tayong uni-level rewards? Kung business associate ka, you are entitled for the uni-level rewards. Okay, but we have ranking here. Kaya if you go with the business manager, okay, you earn additional 5.25 per box. Okay, so malaki ito, ha, or equivalent to 0.5%. 5.25 per box, napakalaki yan. Just imagine kung ang group volume mo is nagvo-volume ka, sabihin na lang natin 3,000 boxes per month. Just multiply 5.25 multiply by 3,000, that is a big money na, di ba? Big earnings. Kaya ito ang kita mo. Kung senior business manager ka, additional 10.5 per box. Kung bronze business manager ka, additional 21 pesos per box. Kung silver director ka, additional 31.5 per box. Wow, malaki yan, ha? Kung gold director ka, additional 42 pesos per box. And kung platinum director ka, additional 47.25 per box. Down the line yan. Down to infinity yan. So you earn. Okay. Now, let's talk about promotion. How to get promoted. Okay. Kung starter ka, okay, kung starter ka, you should have 4 active lines. So, meaning at least may Sa bawat, meron kang 4 na direct, 4 na na-recruit, and yung 4 na recruit na yun, dapat bumili ng mga boxes. And you'll have a total of 50 boxes or group production in 2 consecutive months. Maximum 25 boxes will be counted the strongest line. Another option is go with the builder pack. Okay, so kailangan naka-builder pack ka and sponsor additional 4 builder pack. So you become a business manager. So option C, go straight with the stock is business manager ka agad. Okay. So that is for business manager, that's 0.5. Okay, 0.5% per box. 1,050 times 0.5. Okay, we have the business manager to senior business manager. Napakasimple lang. At least may isa kang downline na naging business manager. Automatic senior business manager ka na. Ngayon, to become a senior business manager to BBM or bronze business manager, you need at least 3 business manager in 3 different line. Hindi pwedeng isang line lang, no? So, you need a total of at least 300 boxes in 2 months. Okay? And to become a bronze business manager to silver director, you need 3 bronze business manager from 3 different line. Kung kanina 3 BM, dagdagan mo na ng isang B dito, that is BBM, and additional 3 and at least 3,000 boxes na kapag accumulate ka ng group sales. This is not your personal, this is a group sales ng 3,000 boxes in 4 consecutive months. Alright? Okay, let's go to promotion. Silver director to GD. You need at least 3 silver director, 3 different line. Gold director to platinum. Okay, at least 3 gold director from different lines. Okay, pairing income. Okay. Yes, simplest explanation of pairing income is ganito na lang. Divide natin yung team mo sa left sales team at sa right sales team. Okay, so meron tayong team A. Okay. Tsaka meron tayong hold on. Okay. Dito muna. Okay. Left sales team, right sales team, ang pinaka-simplest explanation dyan, kapag may isa kang distributor, reseller, o consumer na bumili ng box sa left sales team, at meron kang additional, at meron ka ring isang consumer, network builder, or direct seller na bumili ng box or nag-purchase or nag-sell ng box sa right sales team, that is what we call a pair. Okay. 1 box sa left, 1 box sa right, that is a pair. And in every pair, you earn additional 125 pesos. Ulitin ko ha. May bumili ng isang box sa left sales team, may isang bumili ng box sa right sales team, that is a pair. In every pair, 125 pesos. So just imagine, if just one person can sell 100 bucks sa left and 100 bucks sa right, that is 100 times 125. 12,500 additional earning on top pa kanina ng mga pinakita kong earning sa'yo. Okay, so himay-himayin natin, no? Sabihin natin si A, kung may sabihin natin ikaw na sponsor mo si A, nag-builder pack ka. Nag-builder pack siya, di ba? Builder package. So, may outright income ka na 900. Then, may voucher ka na 600. May unilevel income ka pa na 420. Tama? So, you earn 1,920. Okay, sabihin na lang natin may na-sponsoran ka rin si L. Nilagay mo siya sa right sales team mo. So, nag-builder pack din siya. Tama? So, meron kang outright income na 900, voucher na 600, unilevel income na 420. You earn a total income of 1,920. Okay, so sa dalawang tao pa lang na na-sponsor mo mag-builder pack, you earn a good money na, a good income na. Kaya lang, meron tayong pairing income. Meaning, sabi nga, kapag may bumili ng box, may box sa left, may box sa right, that is 1 pair. So, assuming we have 4 boxes. Okay, so, yan, this is what I'm talking about kanina. Okay. Alright, so, for the builder pack, 4 ang kukunin na boxes dyan na i-allocate sa pairing income. So, that is 400, okay, that is equivalent to 4 pairs or 125 times 4 pairs. That is 500. Kaya kung kukomputin natin ang kinita mo sa dalawang builder pack pa lang, 1920 plus 1920 plus 500, that is 4,340. Dalawang builder pa lang ang pinak mo, ang in-sponsoran mo. Sa ibang MLM, okay, same price, 7,800, kaya lang ang kikitain mo lang is 1,500 or 2,500. With us, you earn 4,340, which is a very, very good amount, a very, very good commission rate compared with other network marketing companies or direct selling companies. Okay, so here's another scenario kapag stockist pa rin, stockist. Okay, so you earn additional 9,650. Both are stockists. Okay, our pairing income is based on product movement, no flip pair, no minimum, no flash out, 40 pairs per level per month, and infinity pairing. No maximum income, no maximum flash out. Okay, so bahala ka. Okay, here's the good thing. We have the leadership bonus. Okay. So, you are entitled for a 2% monthly shares sa lahat ng BWL Philippines. Okay. Alam niyo, paboritong percent dito kapag tungkol sa leadership bonus, yung apartment. Kasi normally sa isang apartment, para magpa-upa ka ng isang apartment, sabihin na lang natin ang upa 25,000 to 30,000 per month. You need to shell out at least millions para sa bahay na yun. With BWL, para kang meron ding apartment that you are entitled to earn, sabihin na natin, between 20,000 to 30,000 monthly passive income. With only 1,800 ang in-entry mo. Pero pwede kang kumita ng ganun. Through leadership sharing. Ganito lang yan. Okay. Halimbawa, ikaw, naging silver director ka na. Then, may isa kang downline na naging silver director. Okay. So, that is one share. Ibig sabihin, dun sa 2% na ina-allocate ng company para sa leadership bonus, meron ka ng isang share doon. What if tatlo pa? Okay, what if dalawa pa? Edi times 2. So, ganito kino-compute yan. So, let's say, ang buong BWL kumita ng 30 million for that month. Monthly sales, ha? Okay, well, I believe this June, mas malaki ang kikitain niya, no? So, last month, BWL earned 77 million. Okay, now let's just focus on 30 million. So, 30 million, kunin mo yung 2%, 600,000. Then, yung 600,000 ay divide mo sa number of qualified silver director. So, if you have a 15 qualified silver director, then ang profit share mo is 40,000. Okay, again, one silver director is equivalent to one share. What if dalawa ang share mo? E di 40,000 times 2. Yes, definitely. Ganun ang kita mo. So, kung tatlong share yan, times 3. Anyway, kung may tatlo kang SD, ang tawag sa'yo, gold director na. So, with gold director, you are entitled to additional quarterly leadership sharing. So, if we have the monthly, we also have a quarterly. And if you will ask me kung meron tayong annual, yes, meron tayong annual. Okay? So, let's compute 5%. Ganito na lang. Parang yung kanina din. Halimbawa, naging gold director ka, may downline kang gold director, meron ka ng shares. Okay? So, computing natin, based tayo sa 30 million ulit. Since this is quarterly, 30 million multiplied by 3 months, this is 90 million. So, kunin mo yung 0.5%, 450,000. So, divide mo lang kung ilan lang qualified director. Qualified gold director. So, you have 90,000. Ngayon, kung tatanungin mo ako, paano kung gold director na ako, tapos may silver director pa rin ako sa mga downline ko? Okay, ganito. Kung ganun ang scenario, you are already entitled for a monthly profit sharing. At kung mayroon kang isang gold director, then you are entitled for a quarterly profit sharing. So, 1 GD is 1 share. So, kung dalawa ang gold director mo, that is 90,000 multiplied by 2. Okay. So, another scenario. What if kung platinum director ka? So, annual sales 0.5%. So, kunin natin. Let's say platinum director ka, may naging platinum director. So, 1 share ulit yan. So, Kung platinum ka, hindi pa rin mawawala ang monthly share mo, which is a share from silver director. Hindi rin mawawala ang quarterly share mo, which is share galing naman sa mga gold director. At of course, meron din tayo annual. So, tuloy natin 30 million, no? So, 30 million times 12, assuming na 30 million per month lang kinikita ng company, multiplied by 12, that is 360 million. Okay, kunin natin 5% ng 360 million, that is 1.8 million. Eh, kung dalawa lang kayo maghahati, di meron kayong ting 900,000, which is not bad. Okay, so, one share, okay, one director kasi tawag dyan, one director position is equivalent to one share. So, kung dalawa ang share mo, di 900 times 2. Ganun siya compute. Okay, we have the car incentives. Okay, you must be a silver director, should have 4 active lines, and produce a total of 3,000 boxes. Okay. So, kung nakaka-accumulate ka ng additional 3,000 boxes during sa SD position mo, kailangan mo muna mag-estimate na naka-accumulate ka ng additional 3,000 boxes, you are entitled for a car incentives. Bigyan ka ng 100,000 ng company for your car incentives. Itong car incentives naman natin sa sarili kotse. But cash ang bibigay sa'yo pambili ng kotse mo. Excuse. Now, what if bumili ka ng brand new? Siyempre, kailangan mo ng monthly amortization. Na ngayon, meron din tayong monthly car incentives. Just make sure na na-qualify mo, na silver director ka, na na-qualify ka sa car incentives, meaning na receive mo na yung 100,000. Once na na-receive mo, bibigyan ka ng additional 3% na manggagaling sa sales ng grupo mo, between 1.5 to 3% na manggagaling doon, okay, para sa earnings mo naman, yung pambayad mo sa monthly amortization ng car mo. So, we have stockist bonus. Kapag na-silver stockist ka, bukod sa business manager ka, na you have additional 1% override. Okay, so gold stockist, additional 2%, and mega center, 2%, 4%. So, we have travel incentives. Once you become a silver director, you are entitled for a Singapore trip. And once you become a gold director, you are now entitled for a Europe trip. Okay, so that is my presentation for tonight. And if you want to join my team, add me on Facebook, and this is facebook.com/avictorino, or you may get in touch with me on my number. Okay, yung nakikita nyo sa screen. I think this is all for tonight, and let's do business together. Get in touch with me. And once you do business together, and I guarantee you that I am going to give you a 100% support. Alright, so that's it, and just get in touch.